Alright guys, welcome to the Thursday directions video. Today is a little bit different assignment. What you're going to be doing, there's 3 steps to this. Step 1 is just to research the causes of the Revolutionary War. So you should just go to Google search, Wikipedia, different articles, a video, whatever. Spend about 15 to 20 minutes compiling a list of all the causes leading up to the revolution. So there's going to be a ton of them, okay? So take the first 15-20 minutes to do that. Once you have compiled your list, now you need to rank your top 7. Starting with number 1 would be like the most important cause, to number 7 being the least important cause. And so on a Google Doc, you'll have 1 through 7. And then for each one, you need to write down why you selected it to be at that rank or that number. So like, I chose this one to be number 1 because it's the most important, because, and then anything after that is what I'm looking for. I want to know your reasoning why you picked that cause to be ranked there. So step 1, just do a little bit of research, take about 15-20 minutes, about half the class, and then for the next 25 to 30 minutes or whatever, rank them 1 through 7 on a Google Doc, and then just give me 1 to 2 sentences on why you selected that cause to be that rate. So, for example, you could have, I want to know why you wanted that specific cause to be number 5 on your list. Why did you make it number 5? All right, so on and so forth. So just 1 through 7, you'll have about 1 to 3 sentences per one. And then once you're done with that doc and you've ranked them, then just throw them online. But that's all I got. Talk to you later.